Imagine waking up, going to work, coming home, and watching the sun rise and set 4 times in a single day. Sounds impossible, but for early Earth, it was reality. Billions of years ago, our planet spun so fast that a day lasted only about 6 hours. The question is, what happened? Why does Earth take 24 hours to rotate today? The answer is surprisingly simple. The moon has been stealing Earth's spin. When Earth formed around 4.5 billion years ago, it was a chaotic, molten world. Scientists believe a Mars sized object slammed into the young Earth, ejecting debris that eventually formed the moon. The colossal impact also left Earth spinning incredibly fast. A day may have lasted as little as 5 to 6 hours. But then something strange began happening. The moon started slowing the planet down. We already know the moon causes tides. Its gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating giant bulges of water. But tides do more than move seawater. They act like a planetary brake. As Earth spins, it drags these tidal bulges slightly ahead of the moon's position. The moon's gravity pulls backward on those bulges. The tiny pull steals a bit of Earth's rotational energy. Not much, but it happens every second, of every minute, of every day, for billions of years. As a result, Earth's rotation gradually slowed, and the moon, it gained energy and moved farther away. In fact, the moon is still drifting away from us, today at about 3.8 centimeters per year, roughly as fast as your fingernails grow. Tiny movement, enormous consequences. How do we know any of this? Because the earth kept records. Ancient corals, shells, and tidal deposits contain growth patterns that act like natural calendars. When scientists examined fossils hundreds of millions of years old, they discovered something astonishing. Around 400 million years ago, a year contained roughly 420 days. Not because years were longer, because days were shorter. The earth was spinning faster. The process hasn't stopped. Even today, Earth's rotation continues to slow. A day becomes roughly 1.7 milliseconds longer every century. You'll never notice it, but over geological timescales, it adds up. So the next time you look at the moon, remember, it isn't just orbiting Earth. For billions of years, it has been quietly reaching into our planet's rotation and slowing it down. The 24-hour day feels permanent, but it's not. It's just a temporary chapter in a story that's been unfolding since the birth of Earth itself.